Hey guys, it's Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Today we've got our M7 HTC One. So this is the 6th Sense ROM. Make sure I enunciate 6th Sense ROM from the team called Renovate. And as I said, this is for the M7 version of the HTC One. Big thanks to one of the team members that brought it to our device, Mwilky. M. Wilkie. I'm gonna say it's Mwilky. Mwilky. Alright. Anyway, big thanks, guys. Now, it's for the M7, but it's based on the M8 1.54.401.5 software, Android 4.4.2. It's featuring Sense 6, hence the name 6th Sense. Pretty clever, I think. Stock HTC kernel, and it's featuring the Aroma installer. Aroma installer is pretty straightforward, so we're not going to go over much of that. Now, there's a ton of stuff that went into this ROM, guys. I'm going to try and hit most of it here, but definitely check out the thread linked down below to get the full list of all the add-ons and mods and tweaks and hacks and just the complete list of goodness that went into this ROM. This has the advanced power menu. They've added the extended home screen menu. They've thrown in several different versions of the app drawer. You can get the 3x4, the 4x5, or the 5x6, which is really cool. Just depends on how big you want those icons. They've increased the maximum number of quick setting tiles from 12 to 23. So that is pretty awesome. CRT off animation has the exposed installer. It's been debloated. A lot of the HTC stuff has been taken out. A lot of the unnecessary apps, tweaked system-wide animations. Just a ton of modifications done to this. Now, optimizations. It's been rooted, of course. That's pretty much standard nowadays. Initial D support, accelerated hardware, disabled scrolling cache, disabled signature check, enabled system and data zip align at every boot. That's pretty awesome. Cleaned and tweaked the build.prop for better performance and provided the option to ODEX or DODEX when you flash the ROM. I mean, just a ton of stuff, guys. And I'm skipping over a bunch of stuff. Definitely check out the full list on the thread. Some tweaks, customizations you can do. There's the status bar, you've got the clock, the battery. You can hide status bar icons. Then there's interface tweaks, landscape prism, AOSP lock screen. You can change the carrier label, text color, enable 180-degree rotation. And I mean, just reading through these, there's a ton of little things that you wouldn't even think about that they have tweaked to make the experience much more appealing. Like when you get a new message, the screen will turn on. SMS to MMS conversion, little things that you just don't think about. These guys have taken care of. You can configure the volume key to do different things. Long press back to kill apps. Now, I'm not even going to go over the aroma options because it's pretty straightforward. Just choosing what you want from the options that they give you there. All in all, just really pretty cool ROM. Haven't had any problems, haven't had any force closures. The cameras worked fine, videos worked fine. Now, I will say I don't have a SIM for this device, so I can't test call quality, network speeds, things like that. I apologize for that, but I don't see anything in the thread to indicate that there's any issues with that. Battery life has been great. So all in all, really good ROM. I think it would be an excellent daily driver. But that's it for me, guys. This is Sam with MobileTechVideos.com. Just a real quick overview of the 6th Sense ROM brought to us by the Renovate development team. Big thanks to them once again. And thank you guys for checking out the video. If you liked it, thought it helped you out, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you next time.